Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I'm just gonna get right into today's video because I don't want to be here all day talking about it. So yeah, I don't know why I have a lot of anxiety talking about this and like just getting on camera and talking about this. So just bear with me if my voice rattles, or if maybe I tear up through the video, because I already feel myself like tearing up. So yada yada, whatever. We can talk about the title. I'm gonna talk about how I haven't been doing makeup tutorials lately, and basically just kind of explaining myself on why I haven't been doing that, because as you guys know, I am a beauty channel. That's what I like to do. That's what I'm passionate about. So not being able to do that has really like hit a toll with me. Sorry. Okay, it's already too early in this video. Stop getting emotional. Of course. See why I haven't been filming makeup tutorials is because in my last video I kind of briefly explained this thing that I found out that I have when I went to the dermatologist. It is called seborrheic dermatitis, and basically a term that like most people can get. It's basically like dandruff, but it's like on my face. But dandruff to me doesn't really do what it is justice, because like when I get dandruff in like my hair, it doesn't itch really, it doesn't get inflamed, it's not irritated, it doesn't bother me, it's not really noticeable. So dandruff, I don't really like using that word. And in a minute I'll zoom you in so you can see. But basically, it's this thing where I really don't even understand it, where whether it's stress or the weather seems to be the only two things that they say could be like making it flare up. And sorry if I'm not looking at the camera a lot, I'm just trying to like process everything and not miss anything. Basically, it's where certain parts of your face other than your head, where you like overproduce oils and it gets really irritated and inflamed, and it's really painful. And then after it gets inflamed and irritated, the next day it flakes off and it gets really thick and there's like scales all over your face. And it just makes putting on makeup like impossible for me. So it's really hard to try to film any kind of makeup tutorial when my face is constantly either blood red or it's flaking. Nothing sticks to where the flakes are. Like, I have flakes all right underneath my eyebrow that take up like half of my eyelid. So if I try to go in and blend eyeshadow over that, it doesn't stick to that part of the skin. It's just frustrating because all I want to do is like do my makeup, and like that's what excites me, is my makeup and buying new makeup and getting new makeup. Like I got a bunch of cool stuff in gratis, like a whole bag full of new makeup that I just wanted to play with, and I feel like I can't even play with it. This sounds so I feel like this sounds stupid, because it's just makeup, right? Anyways, that's why I can't really get on here and film, and it gets frustrating because like no matter what I do, like skincare, no matter what I do, I'm using this stuff that the dermatologist gave to me, like some kind of cream, like an anti-something cream, and like a dandruff shampoo. The shampoo, because you can use it on your face, if I leave it sitting there for a good 5 to 6 minutes and then kind of exfoliate it off, it'll get a lot of the scales and stuff to come off. But then like immediately after I get out of the shower, my skin just feels tight. Like it feels like dry skin would feel. It just feels like tight and dry and irritated. But the part that sucks is it supposedly comes from oily skin. So it's like, oh great, you have oily skin, but your side effect of oily skin is you're gonna be dry and you're gonna be uncomfortable. And so it's like, do I use foundation that's more for like combo oily skin? Do I use foundation that's gonna help with dry skin? You know, what moisturizer do I use? And that's another thing too, like it's hard to find skincare products for it because yes, you want to have a good skincare routine, but mostly, like, if I were to use moisturizers and stuff, that wouldn't be enough. So I feel like right now I kind of feel like hopeless, and I know I just found out I had it, so it's only been a couple weeks, but I mean, I've had it for a couple months now. It used to just be like on my chin, and that was fine because it was just one area, so you know, it wasn't as bad. But I mean, it moved up into my nose, like where my nose creases are. Like I said, above, like right underneath my eyebrows. Now there's spots coming up under here and like right here. I know it's like a vanity thing because you want to look good, and stupid as it sounds, but I've always been someone that's been overweight, so my face has always been something that like I took pride on because, you know, I thought that for a big girl I have a pretty face, and so now it's just like I feel like that's being taken away from me. I can't put makeup on the way I want to, and yeah, it's just it's more irritating than everything because it's so uncomfortable. Not only is it uncomfortable, but it's uncomfortable to look at. Like, I feel uncomfortable like constantly, and then painful, or it's uncomfortable, or it looks bad. It's like all the above. And it's just trying to get it under control, and it's frustrating because the stuff I'm using isn't working. I try to limit like the makeup I put on just to see if that helps, because anything I put on top just looks bad. But I'm gonna kind of zoom you guys in so you can kind of see what I'm talking about and understand like what it looks like, and just to let you know, like, this is actually me on like a better day. I've had way worse days than this. Start with down here. So right now my lips are so dry and cracked because of it, because all of it went up to like where my lips are, and it just, so now I can't, like, when I go to eat stuff I have to be really careful. Like, I ate a sandwich earlier and I could barely open my mouth because it just keeps ripping open this, so that's uncomfortable. As you can see, there's like white spots right here. I don't know why those are there. I don't know if that's just an area that doesn't get like inflamed. For the most part, I got a lot of the flakes off of my right here. There's a little spot right here. I got a lot of the flakes off right here. I should be careful with my nose because if it starts like getting crusty again, it like hurts so bad, so I don't want to pull it open too much. But right in there, see how it's red because it's like, it like gets, what happens is like these scales and crust almost build up, and then if I go like that, it rips, just like how it's doing on my lip. It basically just rips and it just hurts so bad. Right now my worst spot is gonna be right here above my eyelids. Do you see that? Imagine that, but all right here. Like, when it flakes up, that's what it looks like. And I can't put any makeup on it because it just looks awful. And not only is it scales, but when those scales go away, it's texture. It just looks like rough skin. So up there, I just recently started getting a little bit right here. On the ears too. It's not as bad right now, but mainly this ear. But yeah, like I said, just imagine all of this, but like everywhere. I get it right here too. Right now my lips are like what's bothering me the most, that and my eyelids, because I can't, it's hard to eat anything without like ripping it and like start bleeding. And no matter how much like Carmex, or like I even have this Bite Beauty lip mask, I've just been trying to hydrate my lips, and nothing's working. That's the part that's like frustrating me right now. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom you back out now because I don't like being this close looking like this. And see how this is all red right here? Like my skin looks very blotchy. The best way I could like describe the feeling to you is almost like when it's not itching and it just kind of is more like burning sensation. It feels like a wind burn, like you've been in the sun all day and you've just got really bad wind burn or sunburn. And the next day it flakes like a sunburn or windburn would. But it's not just flaking, it's also the skin is so rough in texture. It just, especially like right in here when it gets bad, like concealer doesn't want to stick anywhere. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on with me right now. That's why you haven't been seeing makeup tutorials. I'm so sorry. I wish I could post more makeup tutorials. I have so many fun looks in mind and it just frustrates me because I can't do them. And then when I do try, sorry. And when I do try to do them, they don't come out looking like how I want them to. And it almost makes me feel like I don't know how to do makeup because I can't make it look nice because of my skin. Like I said, this is actually me on a good day. Just overall, my health just hasn't been the best lately. So I don't know why I decided to film this the day I started my period. No wonder I'm so fucking emotional. So TMI on that. But yeah, I don't know, and just like sitting down, like I said, and filming this is just giving me a lot of anxiety, but I know I want to keep you guys updated because you do watch my content, you do leave sweet comments, and you do follow me, and you deserve to know, like, hey, what's going on, like, why aren't you on here actively? And it really sucks because my job, you know, requires me to wear makeup, and I just got CM certified, so I don't want clients to think that I don't know how to do my makeup or something's wrong with me. So it's just a lot of insecurity issues I'm having right now, and on top of everything else, and then the thing that sucks is that stress is what brings this on. So it's like, oh, your health is being shitty right now, and you're stressed because your makeup, you can't do your makeup the way you want to, and you can't film, and you can't look the way you want to at work, and it's just a bunch of stuff. So I feel like I've been talking for long enough. I feel like this video shouldn't be this long. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up because I don't want to go too much more into anything else that's going on. But I just want to say I love you guys so much. I want to thank y'all for sticking around even though I'm not consistent like I should be. In no way am I trying to make this video so you can feel sorry for me. I just feel like I need to explain to you why I haven't been on here the way I want to be on here. You know, I've been doing makeup looks and they've been coming out so pretty, but then I have days where, you know, my skin, most days where my skin looks so bad that I don't even want to get on camera. And when I film, I like to wear makeup, even if it's just a talking video with you guys. I like to wear makeup. And I feel like I can't even do that. So I want to thank you guys so much for sticking around even when I'm not consistent, and just leaving the sweet comments that you leave, because that just makes my whole entire day. Trust me, it does. And that's why it makes me feel even worse when I can't upload or I can't like post videos that I want to post. Yeah, but that is going to be the end of this video. If you have any questions for me regarding what's going on, you can leave them down below. If anyone out there suffers from seborrheic dermatitis and you've found something that works, please let me know. I've been trying to research. Another thing too is I just have to get my health together. I have to get in shape. I have to eat better. I mean, that's just honestly what it comes down to. I think I'm not taking care of myself the way I should be. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do better in 2018. And yeah, I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, and I thank you for watching and hearing me out. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.